And we're not live yet. Hang on. Before I say we're live, we are live now. We are live now. Fantastic. What's up, buddies? Flick Buddy here. Welcome back to more Uncharted. Give me a sec because first of all, I'm sorry I'm a bit late. um, I'm sorry I'm a bit late. It's just that I was out and I just got home and I switched everything on in a rush, but I'm still not ready. So I need you to give me a sec while I switch on the other computer so that I can monitor my own stream, make sure that the quality is decent enough, and I'll be right back. Give me 2 minutes, I'll be right back. Okay, everything's okay on social media. The stream is running perfectly. I think. I still haven't checked, but I'm just gonna make myself a drink and I'll be right back. Hang on. And we're live. Okay, I'm here for good now. I'm not gonna go away again. I promise. We're gonna play some more Uncharted. I can remove the cable now. My controller has charged since last night. I'm sure it has. Okay, let's continue where we left off. No escape. Oh, it's gonna take a while to load. I'm gonna get my glasses. Hang on. Okay. So in the last episode, in the last stream, I keep saying episode, in the last stream, they all wanted to go home except Sam. Sam wanted to go after the treasure. And Nate was like, dude, let it go. It's over. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. Any day now. Alright, so.
Is it far?
Not very. Just through this port now.
Sam is really annoyed.
What if Shoreline set up an ambush by the plane?
They didn't.
And what makes you so sure?
Because they're heading to the mountain.
And Oksana is back. Welcome back. Welcome back. You see, to help people understand when I'm going to stream because of time zones and all that, I can't just say I'm streaming at noon or 1 p.m. or 1:30 or whatever. I can't just say that. So I'll set up the event, and the event will actually give you a countdown timer, so you'll have an idea, you know, when I'll stream, to help people out.
This way. There she is.
I love it when people refer to vehicles as she. I love that.
It's a long drop. How did you get here?
I hopped down a few of these walls, but I guess we'll have to find another way around.
I want to look around. I have a feeling there's a few treasures over here. I want to look around because the area is very big. The area is very big, but the game wants me to walk in a straight line, and I don't want it. I don't want to do that.
I jumped down from up there. It's too high to get back up.
Yeah, maybe there's something we can put under it?
Something we can put under it. The stairway leads to nowhere. Oh, I see it.
Yeah,
Yes,
something
I see it.
loose.
I see it, Sully. It's over here, look.
Give me a hand, Sam. All right?
Hey, you need a hand?
Hey, no thanks. We got it.
Come on, climb.
Anyone see a way out?
I started my stream 7 minutes late. I'm so annoyed. I am very OCD. I want to start everything on time. It's just the way I am. Through
Hey,
here.
guys, through here.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Whoa, check that thing out.
It's like a sky rail or something.
Think it still works?
No controls, but I bet I could pull the platform with my rope.
How? I know how. No, I don't. Besides work. I'm never late for work. Actually, hang on, let me do this jump. Or not. Nathan! I am never late for work. If anything, I'm on time, but I just log in late because of you. You distract me. Ha! Come on!
I got an idea. Nathan, give me a hand.
You got a hand? You got an idea? Where are you? Hang on. What's he talking about?
Okay.
Okay, Victor, can I borrow you for a sec?
Sure.
Right, go ahead, Nathan. Yeah, we'll hold it down. You jump across.
Not gonna drop me, are you?
Tempting, but no.
Oh, maybe.
There we go.
Made it!
Here we come.
Okay, we're ready.
Ready for what? Oh, okay. Hang on. I got an idea. It's not gonna reach from here, though.
Pull us over. I don't like being on this thing.
What's the magic word?
Now.
I freaking love Sully. I'm trying to find out a way up, but... Oh, there it is, okay. Oh, god dang it. Pull.
Well, this is some impressive engineering for a bunch of pirates.
This is nothing. Whoa! Hang on!
What about me now?
You guys all right?
Yeah. It's like a roller coaster.
Come on up, Nathan.
Alright, 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 alright. Here's what I'm gonna do. Jump.
All right, Nathan, you climb on up. I'll grab you.
That was awesome. Get up there.
Go! Jump off, quick!
Hey, give me a hand.
Sam! Sam, come on! Huh? Come on, just jump, I'll catch you. Let's go.
He's not coming. He's gonna stay there.
Don't you even think about it, you hear me?
I'm sorry I got you into this. All of you.
Hey, all that doesn't matter anymore, okay? Just jump.
I gotta see this thing through, Nathan.
Sam, hey, listen to me. If you do this, I'm not coming after you. You hear me?
I'm sorry.
Sam! Sam!
He's so greedy.
You called your bluff?
He's gonna get himself killed. Come on.
She's probably right.
Of course she is. Let's go.
Up here. Maybe we can head him off.
I'm gonna save him. I'm gonna punch him.
All right, let's just worry about the saving part first.
What the hell is he thinking? I mean, after everything that we... Wasn't this enough? Let's just find him. Hey, we can get over that wall with this. Come on.
Yes,
Here,
give me a hand,
gotcha.
please.
You ready?
Got it. See?
This isn't gonna hold.
Tank, go!
No, I got it.
God damn it. Now how the hell are we supposed to get up there?
We don't have enough time.
Nate? No? Not by yourself?
I'll come right back, okay?
Look, he is not gonna leave without a fight.
Well, then I'll fight him if I have to, but either way, I'm bringing him back. Just get the plane as close to the mountain as you can. And be ready for a quick getaway.
Like there's another kind?
It's not fair.
Doing the dishes? We take turns. Don't even think about not coming back.
I love you.
Same to you, cowboy.
Aww. So he's on his own again. Brothers Keepers, something like that, yeah? Yeah. I looked up the titles of the chapters.
Okay. Hey, what's that? Footprints. Sam! God damn it. I'm sure he's a ways off by now. Just gonna head to the creepy mountain, save Sam, get the hell out of here. Yeah, we're laughing about the whole thing tomorrow.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Here we go. Back on the trail. The footprints end here. Come on, which way did he go?
Ah, dang it. So close. Let's try again. Let's gain some momentum. All right. say it. This was even worse. Crap.
Here we go. Back on the trail. Footprints end here.
Come on, I need to do this. There we go. I don't think so, buddy. I don't think so. I don't know about yours, but... Maybe the rope needs to get longer. It does get... Well, not longer or shorter, but I can actually. Oh, I have to do this again? My goodness.
Back
No
on
problem.
the trail.
Penis rope, here we go.
Footprints end here.
I can do this. Ooh, look at that. It's even better now. Okay. No! That was scary. I need to make it to the other side. Come on, buddy. Let's gain some momentum once again. Ah, come on! I think I do need to make the rope longer. Ada Wong is feeling awkward in this conversation because he said it's made of penis. Welcome to the stream, Ada.
Footprints end here. Come on, which way did he go?
Nice to have you. I'm trying to figure out how am I going to reach the other side. Hang on, no, I need to reach this way. Hang on. Let's gain some momentum. I can't do it. Dang it. It's all Kevin's fault. Kevin is distracting me.
Here we go. Back on the trail.
Come on, we need to do this. We need to find our brother. There we go. Maybe I do need to make the rope longer. Hang on. No, not like that. Can I go down? No. Alright, here we go. Ah! It won't reach. It just won't reach. Hi, Ada. Inferno, behave. There's ladies in the chat room, okay?
Footprints end here. Come on, which way did he go?
Story of my life. I have to tell Kevin to behave. Always. Always. I'm not gonna make it, I think. I'm gonna try. Oof. Come on, get up there. It's not like we can stalk you. You just, with just your first name. Oh, I get what's going on. What is with people that don't? What is it with people that don't like to be called by their real name? Mine is just the username, yes, and people call me Vloggy because that's what they see. But just because if people call me by my first name, I don't mind. Like how many of you? Okay, how many of you are there right now? But what for watching? I don't know. How many of you know what my real name is? Come on, of course you do. You all do. I'm not gonna make this. I don't know why. I'm failing. I'm failing.
Here we go. Back on the trail.
Spider-Man. Oh, look at that. Sometimes I can't make the jump and sometimes it's a perfect jump. But anyway. Where do I go from here? I can't reach over there. It's the only way. It's very strange. You see? Ada got no idea. I'm gonna try again. Why can't I reach? Why cannot... I cannot reach it. Yes, Ada, but if you are smart, my Twitter actually reveals my name. If you're smart, if you look at my username, okay. Well, my username is LoyalBuddy, but it reveals my name. If I'm not mistaken, your name is Steph. Am I right? And I don't know how to do a Tarzan chant. I'm gonna try it though. I think I'm not gonna reach over there. It's the only way though. Hang on a sec. What the what? Oh, the Tarzan chant worked. The Tarzan chant worked. I think this is thanks to Inferno. It worked. Veronica is here. Ah, now it's a party. Now it's really a party for real.
Yeah.
Because more footprints.
You didn't fall to your death, so
Once Veronica's here, it's really a party now.
to kill you.
The Tarzan chant worked actually. It really helped. This leads nowhere. Down there.
Jesus Christ.
Only Nathan goes rock climbing without equipment or safety gear. Over there, I suppose. You know, with all this rock climbing, his hands must be so rough.
Oh, what's this?
What's this? This is this. Like a boss.
More footprints.
Nate or Lara.
Nope. In we go. Hey, Sam!
I know it's a conversation between two, but yes, Matt is streaming now. He's quite the pro at Code Veronica.
Oh, there you are. Okay, here we go.
mortards and action. Alright, I'm gonna do the yell again because it worked apparently earlier. Oh!
Okay. Whew.
I want to check what's inside here. Hang on. Maybe treasure. Oh, there we go. Oh, crap. Oh well. No! No! I did press the button, I promise! Yeah, let's watch Cam finish this. If he ever does.
Oh god, this is so much harder than it looks.
Really? I have to go down there? Yes, I do. Okay.
I can make it.
If you say so, Nate. The fruit? No. I never actually tasted the fruit because
I can do it.
I did press it. I did press it. I promise I did press it. But anyway, no, I never pressed. Hang on, hang on. Inferno just made the "that's what she said" joke, but I'm trying to see what he was on about. Yeah. So because of restrictions of durian apparently can't be imported in Malta. So the next best thing was the fruity candy. Yeah, that was the next best thing. The fruity candy. If I could ever get hold of the actual fruit, I would totally try it. Right now, I have a drawer full of weird food and ready to be tasted and filmed. I just need to find the right people to do it with. I do have people that want to volunteer, but... Come on! Come on! I'm not getting the prompt! I'm not getting the freaking prompt! I'm not getting the prompt! It is harder than it looks. Oh, Inferno. Inferno. Why can't I make it? Hang on, can I perhaps go down with a rope? No, that's the gun. Let's try again. I'm not getting the prompt though. Let's try swinging. More swinging action, come on.
I can do it.
Now I got the prompt, you see? I didn't get the prompt earlier. It's not my fault. No kissing. What? I was looking at chat. What just happened? What just happened? I read the word kissing. No kissing after eating. There's a lot of no kissing after eating many kinds of foods, like garlic, onions, all the kinds of stuff that I like. Yeah. You ever tried it? Veronica, you tried durian? You sound like you've tried it. You sound like you speak from experience.
I can do it.
I did get the prompt again. Okay, I thought I was not gonna get the prompt. Okay.
Oh, crap!
Okay, now I can look at chat. You were slating and then press the button. Yes, that's what happened.
I made it. I don't know how I made it, but I made it.
What about this? What's this?
Oh my God, that's Avery's ship.
How can he tell it's Avery's ship? It's a beautiful ship, yes, but how does he know that it's Avery's ship?
All right.
No, no, no! He let go. You got new gym equipment delivered via DHL. Was it expensive to have it delivered? Because gym equipment is heavy. Do you get charged because it's heavy? Because I remember when I ordered my Nintendo from the US, the people at the post office actually weighed it. They were like, if it exceeds a certain weight limit, you have to pay extra. So I'm assuming that... Sorry, I'm working here. So I'm assuming that gym equipment is heavy and you had to pay extra for it. I don't know. No. Wow. You're in the middle of a traffic jam. Are you driving right now, Veronica? Are you watching me on your phone? What you talking about, Willis? Are you kidding? Are you driving? The delivery charge should be combined with the equipment. I don't know. It's different here. In Malta, everything is different.
All right.
That is so awesome. That is so awesome, Ada. So freaking awesome. $65 US plus 73 shipping. So you paid $65 US and 73 for shipping. I'm Batman. I'm sorry. Apparently Nightbot did not like when you said I'm Batman. Was it all caps? Was it all caps? Because if you typed everything in caps, yes, Nightbox. Anonymous secret, blow it out your knees, stop spamming, caps warning. That's why. There you go. It's because, sorry, but Nightbot will just randomly tell you to blow it out your knees, apparently, if you type in caps. I love the people who set this up. So forget the uppercase. Don't yell at me with uppercase, because Nightbot will take offense. Where was I? I was talking to Anonymous. I was talking to Inferno. So you paid $65 US and 73 for shipping. So you paid more for shipping than the actual equipment. Yes, yes, it was. I'm Batman. There you go. There's I'm Batman. Welcome to the stream, Anonymous. Ah, you're not driving. Oh, okay. Phew. Okay. That's good. So you paid more for shipping than the actual item. I have a policy. I never do that. I never do that. I will never pay more for shipping than the actual item. I was going to buy a coffee mug this week of a bear, of a cute, lovely bear. When you put the hot water in or the hot coffee in, it turns into a panda. I was gonna give it as a gift. But the shipping was ridiculous. It was like 2 times as much the coffee mug, so no. I will never do that. Okay, we're gonna slide again.
Come on! Did you really do all that, Sam? I doubt it. Probably found the driveway down. That's painful. Way down.
When you see Nathan Drake standing still, it means Kenny's reading the chat. Ah, you're so lucky that you have Starbucks in your country, Ada. We don't have Starbucks in Malta. I miss Starbucks. When I travel, I overdose on Starbucks. On purpose. I think I have to go through here. Hey guys, check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Look how pretty.
We almost done here?
This is the last of them, ma'am.
Good. If we are, we can catch up with the others.
Sam just stole our goddamn boat. He's headed for Avery's ship. Come on.
Let him. We're done.
We're done.
Most of my men are dead, Rafe. And those who aren't have already left.
Can you see that? The end is literally in sight.
That maniac pirate of yours has rigged this entire cave. I'm not setting foot on his ship.
Nadine, if you cut and run right now, the loss of all your men, everything that we've done, is for nothing.
We have millions in gold right here.
Okay, Oksana, thank you so much for stopping by. Take care. I hope you do well in your exam.
Excuse me?
We're on the verge of making history here, and you're willing to just walk off with a pittance, a fraction of what Sam's gonna get from that boat.
If he can walk away from that ship alive, he can have it. Hell, I'd say he's earned it. God knows you didn't.
Now look, we can stand here and insult each other all day, or we can finish what it is that we've started.
Oh, we're finishing it all right.
Sorry, ma'am.
Thing about mercenaries, Nadine, their loyalty, it's bought. It's not earned. Now come on. Either we can finish this thing together, or we can just end it right here.
Let's go make history.
Not a girl. By all means.
Alright, cutscene is over. I tried my best to keep quiet during cutscene. And sometimes when I do that, people start leaving. Not start leaving, but they have to leave or something. And they say goodbye, and I miss their goodbye because I'm being so attentive to the cutscene. So, yesterday happened with King Tim. I think it was King Tim, or someone else, I don't know. So yeah, anyway. Where was I? There's Batman. I'm Batman. Batman is back. I'm Batman. And, okay. So Nadine got slapped in the face. She could have kicked his butt so hard. Do I have to dive again? Yeah, through here. Come on, why can't I go up? Oh, from here. Nathan, you're being picky now.
Let's see what you have in store for us, Captain Avery.
A Thief's End. This is the final chapter, guys. This is the final chapter. This is the final moments of my stream. Let's end this. It's the final chapter of the game, it's the final chapter of my stream, and it's the final chapter of the Uncharted series, apparently. Let's go. So that, ooh, I was gonna say something.
Shit!
Because frickin' Avery rigged everywhere with bombs, with mummified corpses and bombs. So I wouldn't be surprised if something like that just happened. So as I was looking at Nadine's gun strapped to her thigh, really, it's thigh, not really knee. Shoreline. I was wondering, how many of you guys actually held a gun, an actual real gun? How many of you guys actually held a gun and know how heavy a real gun is? It's quite heavy, actually. I have. We are inside Avery's ship.
Oh, crap! Sam!
I can't see a thing. Where do I go from here? The treasure?
Whoa. Look at that. There's your treasure.
Yeah, the freaking detail is awesome.
Damn.
Veronica, the game, I think this is the most beautiful game I have ever played in my life. You know, graphics wise. I think this is it. And before this, probably The Last of Us. You know, by the same freaking guys again. Hey Max Rock! Hey! Welcome to the stream! I humbly welcome you to my stream. I'm playing some Uncharted, I'm finishing this off. So I can move on to another game, hopefully. Not today though. Not today. Is this the treasure? Looks like the treasure. Or not. No, this is just copper, yeah? I don't know. Or is it gold? I don't know.
Sam? Sam!
Hey, Nate.
Where is Sam?
Oh, he's right there.
Sam?
Relax, he's alive. This idiot nearly got us all killed.
I'm getting him out of here.
No, you're not.
Rafe, you can have the treasure, all right? Just let me save my brother.
After everything he's done? How noble of you. But no,
We stay here any longer and we're all dead. Is that what you want?
it's not what I said. What do you think, Nadine? Good to see you up and about. Be a dear and relieve Nate there of his gun.
Hand it over.
You really think you can trust him?
Not your concern.
Now, why are you trying to instigate? Nate? Nadine and I are partners. I don't screw over my partners. Get over there. You and your brother, though. Right from the start, you took advantage of my generosity. You tried to cut me out, and it's high time you learn. What are you doing?
Now you give me your gun.
Nadine?
I won't ask you again.
You are being profoundly stupid right now.
Look over there.
Stop screwing around. Jesus!
I said look!
Okay, it's a couple of skeletons. So what?
I don't know as much about history as you boys, but I've got a pretty good idea who those two are.
Well, enlighten us.
It's Avery and two. They killed each other.
Good for them. What's the point?
Everyone obsessed with this treasure gets what they deserve.
So what, you're just leaving us here to die?
Oh, I'm just leaving. Whether you die or not, I don't really care.
Nadine, wait.
So long, Rafe.
Nadine! Nadine! You open this goddamn door right now!
Rafe, she's gone! Come on, give me a hand, we'll all get out of here.
No, that won't work.
Come on, help me with Sam and I'll help you open the door.
I'm not going to be able to enjoy one of these coins, knowing that you and your worthless brother are still sucking air.
Just calm down. You can practice your fencing when we get outside.
Nate, just shut up.
Oh no.
Seriously, Rafe, this is insane, even for you.
You want to hear insane? Nathan Drake raced a madman and his entire army to the steps of Shambhala.
Ouch. Okay.
Jesus. Jesus.
Nathan Drake found the lost city in the middle of the Rub al-Khali desert.
Damn it. Come on, we can get out of here together.
Nathan Drake discovered the fabled El Dorado.
Jesus.
It's not easy.
Stop.
Nathan Drake is a legend. You know, I shot the man who told me that.
Look, I get it. You don't like me very much.
You know, for all your greatness, Nate, you have nothing. You are nothing. And I warned you to get out of my way. sacrificed everything to find Avery, and I'm not gonna let a couple of two-bit thieves, a senile
Look!
con man,
Look! No!
take that away from me!
I can't look at chat, guys. I can't look at chat.
About that parade
This is
of losers
interesting.
so much, I'm going to make sure they join you.
On guard, dickhead.
That's the spirit.
Alright, here we go.
You know how to sword fight?
Yeah. Sticky with the sharp end, right?
Oh, that should be fun.
You have no idea how complicated this is, guys. It's awesome.
Did that hurt?
Come on.
Sword still sharp. Come on, Nate.
I'm attacking him like crazy.
So slow. Damn it, who makes it too easy? That woke up there, Nate.
I am not looking at chat, guys.
Hold still. Now we're getting somewhere. What the hell's wrong with you?
And I died. Ah, that was so hard! Guys! You have no idea. Oh, Carl is here! I can do it, I can do it, yes. If Veronica says I can do it, I will.
This might hurt a little. Get off! Come on, legend.
He's super jealous of him, eh?
Come on, Nate. Come on!
Crap, I keep messing the lefts and rights now.
Maybe next time.
Kick him. It's easier said than done, man. It's easier said than done. Let's go.
Come on, Nate. Come on!
Ouch, ouch.
Come on!
Oh my goodness.
I guess you couldn't tell me way out.
Super Crier is here! Super here! Welcome, welcome! Thank you for coming. Come on, we can do this. Crap. I keep messing up left and right. I never stood a chance now.
Adios, amigo.
I'm doing well, thanks. I hope you're doing well as well. If that makes sense. Oh, dang it! I keep messing up.
So long, friend.
I'm Alfred, not Batman. I'm not Robin, I'm Hutch. Now!
Come on!
This might take a while. Finish him! I wish I could finish him. I'm gonna think of him as Sony. Yes, I'm gonna think of him being Sony and he's jealous of my streams. You die, Sony. Wow! Wow, it might take a while. Hey, hi! Matt is not as CSGO and more. That's a long username. I never stood a chance. Come on.
Come on, Nate! Come on!
Now that's the Nathan Drake I hear so much about. All right, all right.
We're done here. I'm taking my brother and we're leaving. You want to stay and burn with the ship, you be my guest.
You got me.
You know what, Nate? Underneath all the bravado, you're just a sad little boy with delusions of grandeur. Who, by the way, can't fence for shit. So long, Nathan Drake.
Nathan!
Don't know what to give up. That's
I didn't get any more prompts. I got 2 and that's it. Maybe this is the thief's end. This is how it ends. He dies.
don't know what to give up. That's don't hand it to me. I had everything handed to me on a goddamn silver platter. I earned this. All of it.
You want the treasure, Rafe? It's all yours. Holy shit! Hey, come on, let's get you out of here. It's too heavy. Let's try again. It's no use. Try again. It's no use. Nathan. Damn it! Listen to me. Listen to me. All I ever wanted to do was find this treasure with you. We did it. We did it, brother, okay? It's all right. There's gotta be another way. Nathan, you gotta go. There's gotta be some. Gotta go! This comes. There is no other way. Come on, Nathan. I gotta know you made it out all right. Nathan, the whole place is about to blow up! That's it. That's it! What the hell are you doing? It's stressful. God damn it. Let's get your head down. Do it now. Come on. One crazy son of a bitch. She's wanna know it. Come on. That's our way out, Nathan. Come on. You go. Just a little further. Go with you.
Sometimes I can't tell if it's a cutscene or I'm actually playing. I thought it was a cutscene, but I realized I had to swim.
Shit. Oh, Nate. Nate. Hey. Come on, I got you. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh. Hey. Hey, Sully, I got him.
Where are you?
We're right here.
So, you got everything?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, feel free to sell anything I left behind.
Sure I can't give you a lift home.
After the last few days, I think I'd like a plane with drink service and reclining seats. Plus, she and I have a lot to talk about.
Yeah, you do. And no more late-night phone calls about one last time.
Promise. Thanks, Sully.
Take care, kid.
Thanks, Supercrier.
Don't be a stranger.
Next time you're in town,
Let's make a bet,
Here's your own
Inferno. Will they kiss
Why
by
would
the
you
end
do
of the
that?
game? By the end of the story? Let's see. I bet they will.
Little bunny surprises all over the headmaster's bed.
Hey, what are you telling her?
Just about your little magic phase.
Oh, I hate you.
What was your stage name?
Go on, tell her.
Nate the Great. It's not funny. It makes sense.
In his defense, you were pretty good.
Uh-huh.
Hey, look, Sam, it has been an experience getting to meet you.
With the handshake,
Well,
bring it in for the real thing, sister. Take care of this numbskull, all right?
yeah, I will.
I'll join you in a sec.
Yeah.
I like her. God help her, she sure seems to love you.
I know, right? Listen, the offer still stands.
I appreciate it, but I'm good.
I know, but if you feel like you're imposing, you're not. We
It's
talked
not
about
that,
it.
It's not about that. It's a little bit of that, okay?
Yeah.
But I just kind of thought that after we found Avery's treasure, I'd be satisfied. Instead, I've kind of left with this strange feeling of
Emptiness.
yeah.
Yeah, well, you know, as thrilling as the next adventure might be, in the end, I always left with that same feeling. And sometimes you just gotta choose what you're going to keep and what you're gonna let go.
Well, I guess I'm just not there yet. And besides, you know, you got a few ancient cities on me, and I can't let that slide. So.
Yeah, I left a couple out there.
Well, thank you.
Oh, that's our ride.
Yeah.
Sam, we've come far.
We sure have, little brother. Come here.
Listen, you don't do anything I wouldn't do, all right?
Get out of here, vamos.
Green light?
So, Victor, what's next for you?
Well, before I got dragged into this, I was working on a business deal of sorts.
Of sorts. Dangerous?
With these people, yeah. It's up there.
Well, I just so happen to know a certain someone recently out of prison who might be perfect for this kind of work.
Ooh, I don't know. Is he trustworthy?
More or less.
How's his Portuguese?
Quando seu marido voltar para casa?
What's that mean?
How long before your husband gets home?
That'll do. Come on.
You got any more of those cigars?
Don't push your luck.
Hey, good morning.
Indeed it is. Indeed it is.
All right, I'll bite. What's going on? Land a big contract or something?
Oh, even better. I'm on the verge of selling Jameson Marine.
No kidding?
Yeah.
Wow, well, hey, I guess congratulations are in order, huh?
Well, not yet, but I'm confident it'll go through. They drove a hard bargain, but in the end, I think we came to a mutually beneficial agreement.
That's great. Are you gonna stay on?
No, 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 no. I think I'd like to just relax, hang with the family, go fishing every chance I get.
Good for you. So who's the sap who's gonna buy this place?
Oh, you are.
What? Oh, come on, seriously.
Oh, yeah, seriously.
Wait, Jameson. Hey, wait up, man.
Hey. Morning, guys.
What are you doing here?
Just thought I'd take, one final look.
Already gave your husband the keys.
Perfect.
Is this for real?
Nate, all you need to know is that you'd be making a very wise investment. Do the right thing here. Call me when you're through.
You got it. Hi.
Hi. You're buying Jameson Marine?
We are buying Jameson Marine.
Oh. Okay. How? Why?
Well, heard this rumor about a salvage job off the coast of Malaysia, and I thought it'd be right up our alley.
No. Honey, look. We barely got out of Libertalia alive. Hey, taking an illegal job? You know what that leads to.
Who said it was illegal? Look. This came in this morning.
Is this legit?
Yeah. Some of my old contacts out there, they worked their magic with the Malaysian permit office. It was great. I didn't even have to bribe anyone.
Well, that's good because I don't know how we could possibly even afford to do this.
Here. Hold out your hand.
What?
Hold out your hand. Come on.
Holy crap. Where did you get this?
It was in my jacket pocket. Along with a bunch more.
A bunch? Sam.
He's a sneaky one.
Yeah.
Of course, most of them are going to have to go into our venture here, along with all the new camera gear.
Camera gear?
Yeah. I figured as we're pulling all the cargo up from the dive, we could hire, a small crew. We could film the whole thing and resurrect my old show.
What happened to just living a normal life?
I think in our attempt to lead a normal life, we may have oversteered. Look, when I was on that island, I missed the adventure. I missed us. And so now we have a chance to do what we love. But from here on out, we are going to operate on a strictly legal basis, all right? And I will be doing all of the shooting with my really expensive camera.
Wow. You've really thought all this through, haven't you?
More or less. But listen, just say the word and I will call the whole thing off.
What? Oh, no. I don't want to be that guy who ruins Jameson's early retirement like that. That'd be cruel.
Right.
It's not gonna be easy,
Nothing worthwhile is. So, what do you say, Nathan Drake?
Sure, why not?
Hmm.
Yeah, as long as I don't have to do any paperwork.
Well, I can't do it. I'm gonna have my hands full with the camera.
Well, I'm gonna have my hands full with all the diamond.
Okay, fine. We'll take turns.
Yeah. Or I could play for it.
Seriously?
No, listen, I have been practicing. I'm getting good.
No.
My hand-eye is way better than it used to be.
You're I cannot do that to you again.
Are you afraid to play me?
I am so not
On
afraid
a
to
scale
play
of
you.
1 to 10, how scared are you?
3.
Yeah, well, jack that up to like 11, all right? Because I'm coming for you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my. That's... Okay. Fine.
Again! I have to play Crash Bandicoot again? Seriously? Oh man! The game's not over yet! What are you gonna see next? It's a surprise, Luke. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Alright, I'm playing Crash Bandicoot apparently again. Yay! That's what he was talking about, playing her, because in the beginning he played and he failed. Now this time I don't want to fail. I'll play this seriously. I'm better. I'm gonna have to. They did not kiss Carl. They didn't. Thank you so much, Ada. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rock. Max Rock. Now I have to change the title of my stream. Crash Bandicoot. Ooh, it's gonna fall. Come on, we can do this. No! Dang it, he failed to jump. There's a time limit. I don't know why. It's funny how the game had to end with another Crash Bandicoot round. Let's go. Checkpoint. Nate plays Crash Bandicoot, that's right. That's right. And Batman approves. I don't know how I got this. I don't know if it's a special unlock or something. I don't know. I'm wasting time. I'm wasting time looking at chat and there's a countdown timer. I'm an idiot. No! Oh, so close! Last life. And apparently the apples aren't counting. Yeah, they are counting. But I'm not getting any lives out of the apples for some reason. I did it! I did it! I did it! I didn't beat her score still. I still didn't beat her score.
Where are they?
What the heck? What the heck in epilogue? What's going on? What's this? I'm controlling a girl now. Is this their daughter years later? Oh my goodness, what's going on? Oh my god, don't tell me, just because I'm asking. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Who is this girl? She looks like a young girlina. What's going on? She has a doggy. Where's the doggy? He's gone. Oh, there he is. Here you are. New mod. New mod. I thought a new mode for the game. I'm like, what? Yes, you are a new mod. Where is she? She's still there, yeah. I thought you meant a new mode. I'm like, what? Did I unlock a new mode of the game? Oh my goodness. What's this? Now guys, honestly, how many of you guys here right now own this? How many of you own this game? They actually can grab the physical copy in their hand and they say, I have this. I don't have it. This is the NTSC version. I have the PAL version. I'm thinking it's Nate's daughter, to be honest with you. I don't know. I'm rambling now. I'm gonna look around. She's a surfer, apparently. The house is a bit of a mess. Her room.
So good.
Is she wearing the watch in the wrong hand? She's wearing the watch in the wrong hand. She's cool like that.
I really
Yeah, you
should
should.
clean this up.
Yeah, you should clean this up.
Later.
Yeah. Doggy.
Mom?
Mom, Dad.
Dad?
My goodness.
Anyone? Yoo-hoo!
And this is reminding me of The Last of Us, when you control Joel's daughter in the beginning, in the very beginning.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
I've seen this already anyway, I don't want to look at it again. I see you, doggy. Do you need to poop? Do you need to poop? How are you doing, Carl? How are you feeling?
I think they abandoned us.
So cute. Let's pet him for a bit. Let me pet you. Come here. Let me pet you. I will pet you forever.
Whoa, so cool. I need to ask Mom to borrow
You
this
see?
one
Her
again.
mom is Elena. Can you imagine if the next game... I don't think there's going to be a next game because they were pretty, you know, pretty sure that this is the last game. But I don't know. If they like money, they will make another game. But it would be cool if the next game would be Nathan and his daughter. I don't know.
Let's see what you got.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Mom has weird taste in music, but I kind of like this one.
The dog is leading me.
We should totally throw a party in here. They wouldn't even know.
Ah, he wants a treat.
All right. But just this one.
I lied. I'm going to give you another.
All right. But this is the last one for today. Okay?
And it is the last one. Won't let me give him another one. Now, where to? I've been here. Let's have a beer.
Here we go.
Let's read. I thought I was done reading.
Oh, cool. Sam and Sully are coming to visit.
Hey, Kikuchi! Say something. I said, hey, Kikuchi. Is that okay? Is that saying something? Let's see. So, we're sitting in a tiny cafe in the middle of a busy Havana street, drinking what might be the best goddamn espresso I've had in my life. No job. No one's chasing us. Retirement is weird. Good, but weird. Sam says, time to stock up the fridge with less shitty beer before we arrive. His words, not mine. Sam is also reminding me that you lost the bet to both of us. 12 months and counting with no smoking, and I'm in Cuba for God's sake. That's how good I've been. Anyway, send the girls our love. Tell Cassie to warm up the backgammon board. I want my rematch. Looking forward to seeing the gang in a couple of weeks. Your pal, Victor. Oh, her name is Cassie. So cute. It's Cassie Drake. You are the first one that ever called me senpai. No, Michael Jackson. Cosby. Bill Cosby. Hey, poor guy. Is it too soon? Or Toby? Or is it Toby? Where do I go from here? Ah, front door.
Hey,
They're living by the beach. It's not the same house anymore.
there she goes. Taj Mahal, here I come. Just a few
Ah,
more.
she's going to Taj Mahal. She's going to India. So cool. Let's go for a swim.
Ah, perfect day. Now all we need is the rest of our boat crew.
Oh, thank you so much, Kikuchi. Thank you so much. And yes, that reminds me, if you are new here, if this is your first time checking out my channel, I'd appreciate a like on the video, or stream, whatever, and the sub. Thank you very much. I'll try my best not to disappoint. Locked. Can I jump over like your father does? No, I can't. Don't spoil it, no. I'm so close to the ending, I don't want to spoil it. I managed I managed to keep away from spoilers for so long. You know what the best part is? You know what the best part is? I got the game early. I got the game about what, 5-6 days early. I started streaming it before everyone else. Everyone was like, how did you get this game so soon? And now I'm at a point where everybody can spoil the game because I got lazy. Well, I got copyright struck, and I was hesitant over playing it again on stream. But now I got over that fear, so. Yeah, so I went from being the first guy who owned it to a point where everybody can spoil it for me now. The dog is over here, but wait, I want to check around still. These must be our neighbors.
And not here either.
Who lives here?
Okay, well, guess I'll just.
Must
wait
be
then.
Sam's house, probably neighbors or something, I don't know. Looking for treasure.
Got the search area narrowed down quite a bit.
Trying to figure out where this is. Mayan ruins, it says over there. I don't know, maybe it's a tip for the next game. I'm starting to feel that there is going to be a next game, I don't know.
Whoa. Good job cleaning
Again, is that a
this
Mayan
up.
artifact? I don't know. Come on, open it up. Struggle a bit, no? That's her in a magazine. Treasure hunting runs in the family. No way.
He left his keys.
This is Uncle Sam's house, probably.
He left his keys. There's no way. There's just no way. Whoa. I knew it.
Saint Dismas.
What is this? Kinda creepy. Kinda cool.
Her grandma's journal.
Hello.
Narnia.
Oh my god.
Okay. Evelyn bought a first edition of A General History of the Pirates from Collector along with a stack of 18th century documents. Among them I found a very intriguing letter from Joseph Burns, who not only admits to being a crewman of Henry Avery's ship, but possibly hints at Avery's treasure. What else could Riches of Paradise refer to? If he sent this letter from prison, he clearly didn't have the treasure with him. I remember reading this letter. I don't... This is just...
Whoa.
Yeah, these are all.
Henry Avery. The Gunsway heist. Wait, did you go looking for Avery's treasure?
Hey, Malteser! What's this?
No way. Is that Dad? Sic Parvis Magna. Greatness from small beginnings. What's this? the hell?
Oh shit. Crap.
Hey, there you are.
Hey.
Been looking for you. What are you doing in here?
Looking for you guys.
Come on, we loaded up the boat. It's ready.
Cool. I'll catch up with you guys in a sec.
Why?
I just need to,
What's up, Cassie?
Okay. Don't be mad. Hey, I said don't be mad.
Keys. So, what did you see?
Nothing really. Well, just that photo of you two and Sully. With a bunch of Spanish-looking treasure. And a shotgun. Yeah.
This is bound to happen sometime. Maybe we should just tell her.
She's not ready for it.
Ready for what? All that crazy shit in there?
Language.
Yeah, language.
Sorry. But you guys are literally keeping skeletons in your closet. Or at least a silver skull of some kind.
No, I don't think I'm ready for this. Yeah.
Nate? It's time to have the talk.
Yeah, it's totally time. Wait, which talk are we talking about here?
She's just a kid.
She's older than you and Sam when you started all of that.
That is different, you know.
Okay, look, if you guys were into some shady stuff, it's totally cool. But I think I'm old enough to know about it, right?
Old enough. How old are you again?
Haha, funny. Mom?
All right.
Well, let's see. For me, it started when this guy called me up with a scoop on a massive historical find. It sounded like a complete fraud.
Yeah, handsome fraud.
No, I hadn't even met him yet.
She knew. She knew.
So this fraud says, if you fund the trip, then I'll give you the coffin of Sir Francis Drake.
And for the record, I totally delivered.
Yeah, you delivered us into the hands of Indonesian pirates.
No, come on, you know I had nothing to do with that.
Guys, time out. You're saying that you were attacked by pirates after you found the coffin of Sir Francis Drake. Is that right?
Yeah,
pretty
that's
much
right.
it. Yeah.
Bullshit.
Language.
Crap.
Better.
All right, so keep going.
You know what? The sun is up, boat's ready, wind is just right. You want to continue the story? I say we do it on the water. Come on.
Well, wait, what'd Francis Drake look like? Was it gross?
Actually, he wasn't in there. Yeah, just his journal with a map to El Dorado.
The City of Gold?
That's the legend. Turns out it was just a statue, a cursed statue.
No way, seriously?
Yeah, seriously. But I'll get back to that. See, the map led us to
It's over. Sorry I was so quiet. I was just taking it all in. Thank you so much, Veronica. It's over! So awesome. I wonder if there'll be another one, maybe, perhaps. I don't know. It's just wishful thinking, but who knows? Who knows? I know this is not Marvel. I know this is it's not a Marvel movie, but I'm gonna stick around after the credits just in case. No, I don't think there's anything after the credits, but it was an awesome ride. It's fantastic. Game of the year for sure. The way I see it, if Naughty Dog likes money, they'll give us another Uncharted. They'll find a way to open the story. Who knows? Thank you so much, Supercrar. Thank you. I can't skip the cutscenes, the credits. What do you mean, Barry? What do you mean, Barry? Well, stick around for the credits, perhaps. You just got here. Barry! Barry! You missed it, man. You missed it. But you can always watch the video because it will be uploaded as a video later. And it wasn't a very long stream. How long have I been streaming? I have no idea. Shame on me. I have no idea how long I've been streaming. 1 hour 49? Am I? Sounds like it, according to the timer. 1 hour 49. I haven't been streaming for long, but yeah, it was close to the end. That's the thing, guys. I don't know if you are subscribed or not, but I make events. I issue events, so you get the time of my stream, and with the countdown timers, you get an idea when I'm about to stream, and it helps. Because we live in different time zones. I can't just say I'm streaming tomorrow at noon, because my tomorrow noon is not your tomorrow noon, you know? So, thank you so much for coming, Barry. You don't care about the... But, yeah, so I can't really just say I'm streaming tomorrow at noon, because it's different time zones for everyone. So that's why I issued the event, so you can get an idea and work out the time when I stream. I will be streaming again. I don't know. When can I stream? Maybe... I'm thinking hard. No, over the weekend for sure. Weekend's gonna be tough. I can't really commit to a date right now. Yes, Barry, that's right. Yeah, that's right. My tomorrow noon is your tomorrow noon. It's true. That's a fact. Barry loves me. Yes, and so do you, Carl. Admit it. Admit it. Chat is getting weird. It's a good place. The chat is a good place right now. But yeah, me and Barry actually live in the same time zone, yeah. You know, I got so immersed in the game that I forgot to make myself another drink. I only had one drink during this stream. I made a command earlier for Nightbot, and it wasn't issued. Let's try again. Let's see if it works. Sub. Alright guys, I think there's not Troy Baker nor Nolan North. I don't think there's anything else. Look, it's Proto Sam! You're just in time for the credits. You're just in time for the end of the credits. I'm sorry I missed my stream. Maybe you've been here lurking, I don't know, but I'm about to cut it off. because I'm done playing this now. And I can finally move on to other games. I think Nightbot is dead right now, yeah. Is it dead for everyone? Or is it just mine? I don't know. I'll have a look. Thank you for coming by, Protosam, even though that the stream is about to finish. But Formosa Interactive. Do you guys see that? Formosa Interactive? Formosa is a Maltese surname. The thing about multiplayer, I'm gonna confess one thing about multiplayer. My PlayStation Plus account expired on Sunday, and since then I've decided not to renew it because it's a complete waste of money. I rarely play online. I rarely play online. You know, the free games that you get with the PS Plus are just a joke. All right. So for the time being, I decided not to pay money to play online because I rarely play online. Maybe I'll change my mind eventually. I don't know. Something will make me change my mind. If Umbrella Corps, for instance, turns out to be an amazing game, I'll end up buying it to play online. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just gonna wait for the reviews on that one, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna just buy it. You're very welcome, Sam. You're very welcome. I'll be playing more games, Barry. I'm gonna be playing more games. I have so many games in mind. And I love playing obscure titles. Not, oh, he's playing Minecraft. Oh, he's playing GTA. Oh, he's playing Call of Duty. Oh, he's playing Uncharted. You know, I'll try my best to play titles that are titles that you may have not heard of, or you've heard of but you've never seen or played. That's what my streams will be about, more or less. Thank you so much for hanging out, Kakushi. I'm gonna go too, actually. I am gonna go too. Thank you to everyone that hung out with me. I'm gonna give you some hearts on chat because you guys are awesome. Where are the hearts? There they are. Obscure series was okay. There you go, some hearts. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!